Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. I am Farjana Akter Moonmoon, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take social science class of class 2 and our today's topic is short question answer. This is our annual time topic and our lecture number is 17. Now let's start. We have 5 questions here and question number 1 is what is flood? I hope you have already learned from your study book that what is flood. The answer is due to heavy rainfall when river overflows its bank and water spreads to the surrounding. It is called flood. You know, in our country during rainy season we can face heavy rainfall and due to this rainfall our river overflows with water and its bank overflows with water and water spreads surroundings with the village and some of our places of the country goes under water and this is called flood. Then number 2, which color of light forbids car to go? Which color of light forbids? That means don't tell car to go. Number 1, red light forbids car to go. You know, in our traffic signals we have 3 lights, red, yellow and green. Red color light forbids car or any kind of vehicles to go. That means when red color light, we see red color light, we can't go. Then green light permits car to go. That means when we see in a traffic signal green color light, then our car or any kind of vehicle can go. Then number 3, which things do we take to school? When you come to school, you should bring some things. And what are these? You should bring some things in your bag and now we'll see what you should bring. We take our books, exercise books, pencils and erasers in our school bags. That means when you come to your school, you should bring your books, exercise books, pencils and erasers in your school bags. Number 4, what is the area of Bangladesh? You know the total area of Bangladesh and you should remember it. What is the area of Bangladesh? Number 4 answer, Bangladesh is a small country. You know, Bangladesh is a small country, it doesn't have a vast area. Its area is about 1,47,610 square kilometer. Its area is about 1,47,610 square kilometer. Remember it very carefully. Number 5, what does the policeman work for us? You know, if you see carefully in our roads or our outside, you can see many policemen works for us. And what does they do? Answer is the policeman arrests the thieves and robbers. They arrest the thieves and robbers in our society and they also controls the traffic in city. You can see in the road some policemen control the traffic system in our city. So our answer will be the policeman arrests the thieves and robbers. He controls the traffic in city. I hope you have learned all these question and answer. The answer is very short and you can remember it very easily. These are a very important topic to learn. So this is all for today. I hope you will learn it very carefully and attentively. Hope you will stay at home and sound. Allah Hafiz.